Hey folks, Tim Thomas here. Hey, happy Easter. Hope all is well. Hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Again, washing your hands and practicing social distancing, doing all those things that we've been asked to do, guys. Hey guys, been an extremely busy day. You would think that, the day wouldn't be as busy, but today was really busy for me. So I was running around doing this, that, and the other. Super excited, guys, to bring this video to you. Before I go any further, like the video, guys. Make sure you like it. Smash that like button. If you're not a subscriber, guys, subscribe. I upload valuable content as often as I can. And hit the notification bell so when I upload a video, you will be the first to know. Hey, guys, people are looking for ways to generate income from home, and we want something that we can offer value, offer product, service, something that makes sense for the average person. Very, very exciting. So, guys, I want to tell you about a program that we're currently involved in, these postcard cash machines. Now, later on, maybe tomorrow or Monday, we're going to go into the Prosperity Home Network. We got to talk about that program. I joined it. I'm excited about it. It is incredible. Bruce has come up with a great program. We're going to talk about it. But I want to take my time, and I want to go review that program. I'm going to review it several days in a row. So, guys, get ready. Guys, I'm telling you what a day, what a day, what a day. People are joining these programs. And let me tell you what, jobs are on the decline because of what we've got going on. But, guys, the bills are not going to stop. We're going to still have to pay the light bill, the mortgage bill. We're going to get help. We're going to get assistance. So, like I said, folks, the bills are still coming, and people are going to still need to make an income. And why not do it from the comfort of your home? We want to show them something that works, that's easy, that's simple, that if you remain consistent, if you can mail a postcard or a flyer, you can win in these programs. It is amazing, just literally amazing to see the results in these programs. Income disclaimer, folks, nothing happens until you take action. We can look at these things all day, but until we pull it into drive, put it in to practical application, that what we're seeing, nothing happens. But guys, I'm telling you what, you're looking at the $500 postcard cash machine. It says make $500 a day, mailing cheap little postcards. Guys, and I'm telling you what, the response that I'm getting is just very exciting. And the response that people are seeing, they're getting excited about this thing. So I'm excited about helping other people get what they want, and then you have everything in life that you want. The postcard cash machine, guys, has levels of participation: the 25, the 50, the 100. We have the 250 and the 500, $1,000 level. All these levels are independent of each other, but when you join the 250, you're going to get the lesser levels. You join the 500, you're going to get the lesser levels, and the 1,000. You're going to get the lesser levels. So every level that you join, you can always get the lesser levels, guys. And then you can mail all these postcards. I had 2,000 postcards. I want you to look at this, folks. This is just one stack. Well, actually, I got two stacks sitting on my desk here. I had 2,000 postcards made at Staples this week. And we are mailing postcards unlike we've ever seen before. People ask me now, well, Timothy, is it a good time to mail postcards? The answer is absolutely yes. People are joining these businesses even in these times of hardship, times that we're faced with the different things that are going on with the health issues. But like I said, guys, while 6 million Americans have filed for unemployment, people are going to look for ways that, if it makes sense, if it has a good product, if it has a viable service, people will partner with you, and the plan makes sense. So, guys, this $500 postcard cash machine is powerful. I'm going to show you some proof, guys. The $100 postcard cash machine is powerful. Here is the $1,000. This is how the other side of the postcard looks. I can email you effortlessly any of these postcards that you may want to take a look at, and we'll get them off to you. There's the $1,000 postcard cash machine. Let's go over here. Yep, the 1,000. And we're stoked. We're excited about the possibilities of what these programs can do for you. There's a $20 postcard cash machine. So we've got something for every budget, every level. Now we're gonna, for video's sake, we're gonna use the let's say the $100 postcard cash machine as an example. Okay, let me show you proof real quick, guys. What came in. in this morning. And guys, I woke up this morning and here's our buddy again. Hey, this program here, guys, I'm putting it, I'm letting it make money on autopilot. This thing brings in money every day. The instant postcard wealth program, guys, I can't say enough. I got video after video after video. $98 payments over and over and over again. This is what's possible. The product is the downloadable marketing guide for postcards, and it is absolutely powerful. So there we have it. The instant postcard. This came in. Let me show you. I went away from it. Okay, guys, this came in for the postcard cash machines. I had a young lady join, guys, and she sent this in last evening, $300 to join the $100 postcard cash machine, and off to the races. It just happened on last evening. So very excited. Pay through Cash App, and you can decide what you want to pay. You want to pay through Cash App, guys, PayPal. We can get you off to the races for the postcard cash machines. Let's go back over here. Sam Randall's running a special for the Millionaire Mailer. I'll go to that in just a minute. We received the payment this morning. Here is the payment right here for the instant postcard wealth. Now, next payment's going to be on May the 11th. That payment came in this morning, guys. You're looking at, including what came in the mail today, guys, well over $500 a day. And I'm nothing special. I'm nothing special. I just mail postcards, talk about it on YouTube, and I do it over and over and over again. And folks, the results can be staggering when you put forth just minimum effort. Guys, can you mail this postcard? Can you mail those postcards? I mean, and be consistent over and over again. Look at this. I've got a postcard. Look at a $10 postcard cash machine. Folks, you can get involved with this postcard for 30 bucks. For $30, you can start mailing postcards, guys. So we want to help folks. Money doesn't fall out of the thin air. Hit the like button, guys. But we want to put people in money-making positions, and that's what we're doing in these programs. Super excited about that. Let's go back here. Let's go back. Let me see. Okay, got that payment came in and received the payment. Let me show you guys one more thing. Let me see if I can find it. Where we at? Okay, here we go. Cash App. Welcome, Carla. Carla sent you $300 for the postcard cash machine, guys. This happened last night, April the 10th. Last night. So I just show you proof of that payment that we received from Carla. So Carla, if you're watching the video, welcome to the program. You will receive your postcard marketing kit at the end of next week. Very powerful, guys. All right, let's go back to the presentation. The $100 postcard cash machine. And guys, I'm telling you what, we've got some powerful programs on board. That Prosperity Home Network, hang on tight. That thing's powerful, guys. I'm going to show that to you over the next few days. Okay, the $100 postcard cash machine, guys. Here is how it works. It says make $1,000 a day mailing cheap little postcards. Go from zero to $1,000 a day mailing cheap little postcards just by following simple instructions. This works like crazy. Now, see, this postcard was designed to get people's attention. This is an attention-getting postcard. It says make $1,000 a day mailing cheap postcards. People get excited about stuff like that. You can put that in front of them and let them make an informed decision. Make 4 copies of this postcard. You're going to mail the front and the back along with a cashier's check money order, or you can pay through PayPal or Cash App. After making the payments, guys, upon confirmation, you're going to receive the following products. The following products, did I say products? Marketing kit, buyer leads on pill and stick labels. You're going to receive a mail report, your postcard with complete instructions. Now look at this. You're going to receive buyer leads on pill and stick labels. These are people looking to work from the comfort of home, and you can utilize these leads on any product. You use these leads on any work and home business. I'll mail report your postcard, complete instructions, your camera ready copy of this postcard with your name in position number 1. And see, guys, look at the leverage. Look at the leverage that's built into these postcards. Guys, the leverage is absolutely incredible. It's massive, the leverage that we have built in these postcards. So, your name going to number 1, then you're going to go to number 2, and then on to number 3. In number 3 position. So we're excited about these postcards. That's what this side looks like. Can you imagine going out there recruiting 3 or 4 or 5 people, and then you're in number 2 on 3 or 4 or 5 people's postcard? Folks, that could be staggering, very life-changing. So we're very excited about that, and you'll be off to the races. So super excited about that. Okay. Let me go over here. All right. Here is the other side. I wanted to show you the front side. Okay, this is what the front side of our postcards look like, guys, when you flip it over. Okay, it's going to have the name of the postcard, the income example, what people can make, and go from 0 to $1,000 a day. So that's a psychological trigger. People are going to be like, wow, in their mind, can I mail postcards and make $1,000 a day? You can absolutely do it. Guys, can you imagine? 2 signups at the $500 level, and bam, you have your $1,000 that day. And then the 24/7 meshes, and then you've got the call number there, PIN number, and then you're off to the races. So, very powerful postcard. Very excited about what we've got going on with postcard cash machines, guys. If you would like to have a copy of any of these postcards, let me know. Get me on the phone. If you have questions, information below the video to get started. Send me an email, and I can email you a copy of the postcard. You can mail it in. Again, you can pay by Cash App or through PayPal. All right, guys, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And, guys, make sure we're taking care of ourselves, that we're social distancing. We're staying at home as much as we can. Guys, stay at home until this thing blows over. Make money from the comfort of your home. Show others how to make money from the comfort of their home, and they will appreciate you. Help enough people get what they want. You have everything in life that you want. Folks, stay blessed. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Until the next video.